Hi dear students, good morning. How are you? Are you fine? I hope all are going well. Welcome students to our maths class. Today we are going to learn about our new chapter 6, division. Are you ready? Okay. All of you take your text, page number 120. 120. Okay. Our chapter is division. Division is repeated subtraction. Division is repeated subtraction. Okay. In this chapter, we learn about some topics. Properties of division, division by 10, 100 and 1000, division a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number, division stories. Okay. Let us begin with some questions. First one, in 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. Okay, here first one, filling the blanks. Okay, first one A, in 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. Okay, we find out dividend, divisor, and quotient. Okay, all of you listen here. Dividend is 6. Dividend is 6. Then divisor is 2 and quotient is, we get the answer. Answer is 3. 3 is the quotient. Okay. Quotient is 3. Dividend is 6. Divisor is 2. Quotient is 3. Okay. Write it. Write in your text. Okay. Then second one B. Second one, in 8 divided 4, 8 divided by 4 equal to 2. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. We find out the dividend, divisor and quotient. Okay, dividend is here, dividend is 8. Then divisor is okay 4. We get the answer. Answer is 2. 2 is the quotient. Okay, write it. Did you finished? Okay. Division is repeated subtraction. All of you listen here. 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2. How to solve this problem? How to solve it? Okay, all of you listen here. 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2. Okay. 8 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor. 8 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. Okay. We take 2's table. Okay. How many times into 1 to 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. 4 into 2 equal to 8. 4 into 2, 8. We get the answer 8. Okay. We take 4. Right, 4 is here. Okay, then 4 into 2. 4 2s are we get the answer 8. Then subtraction. 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8, we get the answer 0. Okay. Listen here. 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2. We take 2's table. In 2's table, 4 into 2. 4 2's are 8. 4 2's are 8. Okay, we take 4. Right, 4 is here. 4 into 2. 4 2's are 8. Then subtract. 8 minus 8, we get the answer 0. Okay. Here 8 is the okay, dividend. Then 2 is the divisor. 2 is the divisor. Then 4 is the okay, quotient. Then 0 is the remainder. 0 is the remainder. Okay. 8 is the dividend. 4 is the quotient. 2 is the divisor and 0 is the remainder. Okay. Dear students, 4 is the quotient. 4 is the answer. Answer is the quotient. Okay. We check your answer. This answer is correct. Okay. We can check the division by the following rules. Some rules are there. Here, dividend equal to divisor into quotient, or quotient into divisor. Quotient plus remainder. Okay. How to check your answer? How to check? Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here in this problem, divisor is 2. 2 is the divisor. Okay. Right, 2 is here. Then into quotient. Quotient is 4. Okay. Then plus remainder. Remainder is 0. Plus 0. We get the answer 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 0. Okay. We get the answer 8. Okay. 8 is the dividend. Okay. Answer is correct. Okay. Then another topic, properties of division. Okay. There are 4 properties of division. In division, there are 4 properties of division. Okay. I will explain one by one. Property 1. Property 1. Okay. If we divide a number, divide a number by the number itself, we get the quotient. Quotient is 1. Okay. One example for you. Example, 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. and 4 divided by 4 equal to 1. Okay. What is property 1? Property 1, if we divide a number by the number itself, we get the quotient is 1. ഏതൊരു നമ്പറിനെയും ആ നമ്പർ കൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ക്വോഷ്യൻ്റ് ഈസ് 1. we get the answer is 1. ഏതൊരു നമ്പറിനെയും അതേ നമ്പർ കൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ആൻസർ ഈസ് okay 1. okay, here 2 divided by 2 we get the answer 1 is the quotient is 1. here 4 divided by 4 divided by we get the answer 1 is the quotient. Okay, take a rough and write. Okay, then property 2. What is property 2? Property 2, if a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. Okay, what is property 2? If a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. Okay, one example for you. Example 3 divided by 1 we get the answer 3. Another example 5 divided by 1 equal to 5. 5 divided by 5 equal to 5. Okay, here property 2, if a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. ഏതൊരു നമ്പറിനെയും 1 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ആൻസർ എന്തായിരിക്കും? ആ നമ്പർ തന്നെയായിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, ഹിയർ 3 divided by 3 we get the answer okay 3. 4 divided by 4 we get the answer 4. Here 5 divided by 5 we get the answer 5. 100 divided by 1 we get the answer 100. Okay, write it. Only the example. Okay, then next one. Did you finish? Okay, next one, property 3. What is property 3? Every division fact has 2 multiplication fact. 2 multiplication fact. Okay, every division fact has 2 multiplication fact. Okay, listen here. Example, division fact. 20 divided by 4 equal to 5. 20 divided 4 equal to 5. And multiplication fact. Multiplication fact. All of you listen here. 20 divided by 5. Okay, 20 divided by 5. We are taking 5 tables. Okay, 1 5 5, 2 5s are 10, 4 5s are 20. Okay, 4 into 5, 4 5s are 20. 4 is right, 4 is here. Then 4 into 5, 4 into 5, 4 into 5. Okay, 4 into 5, answer is 20. Then 4 into 5. Okay, or 5 into 4. Okay, here 2 multiplication fact. One is 5 into 4. 5 into 4. Then other one is 4 into 5. Okay. Then here 20 equal to 5 into 4. 5 into 4. 20 equal to 5 into 4. Then 20 equal to, then other fact is, and other one is 20 equal to 4 into 5. Okay. 20 equal to 4 into 5. Here 2 multiplication fact. Okay. 2 multiplication വന്നു അല്ലേ, ഒരു ഡിവിഷനിൽ 2 multiplication വന്നു അല്ലേ. Here every division fact has 2 multiplication facts. Okay. 20 divided by 5. We are taking 5's table. 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. Okay. 5 into 4, 20. We are taking 4 is here. 4 into 5. Then second one is 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. Okay. Did you understand? Okay. Write the example. Write it. Then another example. Division fact. Division fact. Division fact. 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2. We get the answer. Answer is 8. Okay. Here 16 divided by 2. We are taking 2's table. Okay. Then 2 into 8. 2 8s are 2 8s are 16. We take 8 is here. Write 8 is here. Then 8 into 2. 8 2s are 16. Okay, then subtraction. Okay. 2 multiplication fact. 2 into 8. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. We take 8 is here. Write 8 is here. Then 8 2s are 16. Okay. 2 multiplication fact. Okay. Did you understand? Here multiplication fact. Fact 16 equal to 2 into 8, 2 into 8. Then and 16 equal to 8 into 2. Okay. Write it. Write it. 2 example. Write it. Did you finish? Okay. Then our another property 4. Property 4. What is property 4? We just read loudly. Okay. What is property 4? Property 4. A number cannot be divided by 0. A number cannot be divided by divided by 0. A number cannot be divided by 0. നമുക്ക് 0 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ? ഇല്ല. ഓക്കെ. Then exercise 6.1. Then exercise 6.1. In exercise 6.1, so many questions are there. I will explain some questions. Remains are your homework. Okay. First one. A 8 divided by exercise 6.1. First one A 8 divided by 8. 8 divided by 8, we get the answer. Answer is 1. Then B 9 divided by 1. 9 divided by 1, we get the answer. Answer is okay. Answer is 9. Okay, good. And C 6 divided by 1. 6 divided by 1, we get the answer. Okay, 6. Okay. Write it. Remains are your homework. Write it. Did you finish? Okay. Then next one, second one. Divide and check your answer. Divide and check your answer. Okay. 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. Okay. Firstly, we divide. 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. We are taking in which table? 2 stable. 2 stable. Okay. 3 twos are 6. Okay. 2 3s are 6. We write, we take 3. We write 3 is here. Then 3 into 2. 3 into 2. 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. We write 6 is here. Then 6 minus 6. We get the answer. 6 minus 6. Answer is 0. Okay. 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. We are taking 2's table. 3 2s are 6. Right? 3 is here. Then 3 into 2. 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. Then minus. 6 minus 6. 0. Okay. And quotient is 3. Okay. Then check your answer. Check your answer. Dividend equal to divisor into divisor. Here divisor is 2 and quotient is 3. 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 0. We get the answer 6. Okay. Answer is correct. Okay. Write it. Okay. Next one. Our next topic is remains are your homework, and our next topic is dividing by 10, 100 and 1000. Dividing by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay. Dividing by 10, 100, 1000. Okay. Okay, listen. Dividing by 10. Firstly, dividing by 10. Dividing by 10. Okay. One example for you. Example A 40 divided by 10. 40 divided by 10 and B, next one is 20 divided by 10 and next one is C, 82 divided by 10 divided by 10. Okay. Then D, 990 divided by 10. 990 divided by 10. Okay. We find the quotient and remainder. Okay. How to find out quotient and remainder? Dividing by 10. Okay. Dividing by 10. In tens, how many zeros in there? Only 1 zero. Okay. We are taking last 1 digit. We are taking last 1 digit. Last, that is 1's place digit. Okay. 1's place digit. This is the remainder. Remaining numbers are quotient. Okay. Because in tens we have only 1 zero. In ten only 1 zero. Okay. How many zeros? Only 1 zero. Okay. Then right one is here. Okay. Sorry. Right 4 is here. Okay, then 20 divided by 10. 20 divided by 10. Okay, in 20, how many zeros? Only 1 zero. Okay. We are taking 0 is the remainder, then 2 is the quotient. Okay, then 82 divided by 10. 82 divided by 10. In 10, only tens, we are taking only last digit number. Last digit number. Okay, ones place digit. Okay, ones place digit is remainder. Here 82. 82 in ones, 2 is in the ones place. 2 is in the, we are taking 2 is the remainder. 2 is the remainder. Then 8 is the quotient. 8 is the quotient. Okay. Then here D. Can you follow me? Okay. Write it. 40 divided by 10. 20 divided by 10. 82 divided by 10. Then last one is 990 divided by 10. In 990 divided by 10. In tens, only 1 0. We are taking only this number, last digit number only. Ones place digit. Okay. Right, 0 is here. Then this number is quotient. 99 is the quotient. Write it. Write it. Did you finished? Okay. Then dividing by 100. Dividing by 100. Okay. Example A. B, C and D. 400 divided by 100. Then 500 divided by 100. Then 800 divided by 100. Then 220 divided by 100. Okay. Find the quotient and remainder. In 100, how many zeros in there? Only 2 zeros. Okay. 40 divided by 100. Sorry. 400 divided by 100. Okay. In 400, how many zeros? 2 0. Okay. In 100, last 2 digit is the remainder. Last 2 digit is the remainder. That is ones and tens place digit. Ones and tens place digit is the remainder. Here 0. 0. Then quotient is, we write 4. Quotient is 4. Then 500 divided by 100. 500 divided by 100. Okay. Right. 0 is here. Then 5. 5 is the quotient. Okay. Here 2 0. We write only 1 0. Okay. Then 800 divided by 100. 800 divided by 100. You get the answer? Remainder is 0. Then 8 is the quotient. 8 is the quotient. Right, 8 is here. Then 220 divided by 100. 220 divided by 100. In last two digit numbers is the remainder. Last two digit number is the remainder. Write 20 is here. Remains a quotient. Remaining number is 2. Okay. Can you follow me? Okay. I will explain one more time. 400 divided by 100. We get the answer. 4 is the quotient. 0 is the remainder. Okay. Then last one is 220 divided by 100. We get the answer. Remainder is 20. Because we taking last two digit number. Because dividing by 100. Okay. Then remainder is 20. Then quotient is 2. Quotient is 2. Okay. Okay. Then next one is dividing by 1000. Dividing by 1000. Okay. How to solve this? How to solve? Okay. All of you look at your textbook. Dividing by 1000. You get any idea? Okay. 100. First one. In 100, how many zeros in there? Only 3 zeros. We are taking last 3 digit in the remainder. Last 3 digit is the remainder. Okay. Remains is quotient. Okay. First one, 5000 divided by 1000. Then 6000 divided by 1000. 7300 divided by 1000 and 8930 divided by 1000. Okay. Okay. Last 3 digit number is the remainder. Remaining number 5. 5 is the quotient. Here we just say 6000 divided by 10,000. Which number is the remainder and quotient? Write it. Write in your text. And B, C and D. Did you finished? Okay. Here 6,000. Last 3 digit number is 0. Then 6 is the quotient. Okay. Then here 7,300. 7,300. Last 3 digit number is the remainder. Remaining number 7. Then here 8,930. 8,930 divided by 1000. Last 3 digit number is remainder. Last 3 digit number is 930. Okay. Then quotient is the remaining number is 8. Quotient is 8. How many persons get the answer? 6 is the quotient, 0 is the remainder. Here 7 and 300. Quotient is 8 and remainder is 930. How many persons get the answer? Please raise your hands. Okay, good. Then exercise 6.2. Exercise 6.2. In exercise 6.2, so many questions are here. I will explain some questions. Remains are your homework. Okay. Exercise 6.2. A, B and C. Write quotient and remainder. The numbers are 80 divided by 10, 80 divided by 10 and 90 divided by 10, then 340 divided by 100. Okay, you just solve it. Okay, here divided by 10. Okay, how many zeros? Only one zero. We are taking last one digit number is remainder, then 8 is the quotient. Okay, then here 90 divided by 10. 10, only one zero. Okay, right, 0 is here, then remaining number 9. 9 is the quotient. Okay, then 340 divided by 100. 340 divided by 100. In 100, how many zeros in there? Only 2 zero. Then 340. Taking last two digit number is the remaining number. 3. 3 is the quotient. How many persons get the answer? Please raise your hands. Okay, good. Okay. The students, remains your homework. I hope all of you understood this topic. Okay. Students, today's topic is over. If you have any doubt in this topic, please ask me. Okay, thank you.